Yo, listen up. You may know me as a musician, actor, devoted father, and husband. But before all that, I was just a kid from Newark who moved to South Central LA. And growing up, I learned a few things, like keeping your word and staying true to your friends no matter what. Loyalty is everything. That's why I have a plan through CarShield. CarShield keeps their promise to their customers, and that means everything to a guy like me, which is why you gotta call CarShield. My plan through CarShield covers costs of repairs of up to 5,000 parts on my car. I'm even talking big ticket items like the ones that make you groan when they break down, like your transmission, your engine, electronics, and computers.
If our car breaks down, CarShield administrators have our back.
Something happens, the CarShield administrators will be there to take care of it.
My rates never went up, and my coverage never went down.
When you call today, you'll get the CarShield Guarantee, where your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have.
Just like I said, CarShield is loyal to their customers just like I'm loyal to my crew. But don't just take it from me. Listen to what these people have to say.
If you love something, you protect it. That's why I called CarShield.
CarShield helped me save over $2,000.
Look, let me break it down for you. The average labor rate for a mechanic is over $120 an hour. That's on top of parts, diagnostics, and taxes, and can easily make the cost of an engine repair over $5,000. Now that's a lot of dough unless you call CarShield before your vehicle broke down. Not a lot of people in this world really do what they say they'll do, but CarShield is the real deal. Call CarShield today. Tell them I sent you.
If your car is out of warranty, you need protection with a plan through CarShield. It's not a matter of if, but when your car will break down. Make sure to call CarShield before it does. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.